So at this time, I'm going to make an assumption that these ladies are correct and the judgment's in their favor, $4,579. If you fail to respond and make this right with them, then these ladies have the right to seek whatever writs and process available to them.
We sent 12 pounds of sterling. He sent us back less than 6 pounds of stainless.
So you're alleging that he did a switch.
About 20 years ago, I sold a laptop on eBay for about $2,000. The slime who bought it told PayPal I shipped him bricks, and PayPal tried for years to claw back the money they'd already paid me. That was before everyone had a smartphone that could whip out to record stupid shit like boxing up an order or unboxing a return. These smart ladies had the foresight to do just that, and in doing, caught this slimy, smarmy scammer at his own game. Let's roll, nerds.
So at this time, ma'am, can you explain to the court what you're asking the court to consider and why we're here?
Yes. I sold silverware, sterling silver on eBay, and Mr. Salvador complained that it wasn't the silver piece didn't weigh, the knife didn't weigh, or the weight, something like that. He complained to eBay that the weight of the knife wasn't stainless steel.
Okay.
And
so it's stainless steel or it's
this is sterling silver.
sterling silver?
The knife piece,
The blade.
is stainless steel, because that's
Okay.
how all of it's made. So he purchased it in an auction. Then he complained that, so we sent him a pre-made refund label. And then when he sent it back, he sent us completely different silverware than what we shipped to him.
Okay.
And then when we filed, eBay refunded him his money. So he got a refund and the sterling silver.
Okay. So you're alleging that he did a switch.
Yes.
Okay. And the items you have in that box is not what you shipped to him?
Exactly. There's one piece that was what we shipped to him. And then the weight was like, I forgot how much the weight was. I put it in my thing, but the weight didn't match what we shipped to him. And then the label on the thing was a pre-made label that we sent to him to send back.
Okay. And the picture's attached showing the sterling silver handles, and that's not what's in that box.
Exactly.
Okay.
And then we also videotaped us opening the box, because we were kind of concerned that that's what, was going to happen.
So what are you asking the court to consider, ma'am?
To get the money back of the $45.79.
So let me make sure I'm correct. He won the bid
Yes,
at $4,554.
$79. $4,579.
$4,579. Okay. And the item that you have listed here on the eBay with the pictures in the box is what y'all shipped to him?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Did y'all ship the box to him, the wooden box to him, or just the sterling silver?
Just 12 pounds of sterling silver.
Okay. So Billy, do you have anything else you want to add?
No.
All right, hold on one second. Salvador, do you want to ask Billy any questions, or do you want to wait till it's your opportunity to present your case to this court?
Yeah, no questions, Your Honor. I think I'm ready to go.
Okay, hold on one sec. Ma'am, do you want to call this young lady as a witness?
Yes.
All right, what is your name, ma'am?
Sue Hill.
Ms. Hill, she's going to be calling you as a witness if you'll raise your right hand.
What is your part in this?
I sold them on eBay for her. We were doing an estate sale, and we thought we could get more money for the estate. We sent 90 pieces of sterling silver, and he sent us back 47 pieces of stainless Oneida. We sent 12 pounds of sterling. He sent us back less than 6 pounds of stainless, and he accidentally put one of the original pieces back in there. He claimed the reason he wanted to return was because the sterling knives had stainless blades, but all sterling knives have stainless blades. You can look up the same pattern. Any of the sterling always has that. And I tried to argue that with eBay, but all they do, if they say not as described, they issue a return. So that's where we're at.
Okay. Any other questions?
No, sir.
All right. Sir, do you have any questions of this witness?
No questions, no.
All right, thank you. Ma'am, anything else? Do you rest?
Is that?
Do you rest?
Yes.
Thank you. Salvador?
All right. Well, I hired a third party to help me buy this set. I received the set and I realized that the grams are off. The weight is off. I complained. I filed the complaint with eBay, and I followed their process to return, to dispute, and they resolved the dispute.
Okay. Anything else?
No, I just want to clarify with the weight. I did say on our text messages, on our back and forth, that it was unauthentic. I did message her and I did tell her that it was unauthentic. And just before, she was just claiming that I was only complaining about the weight, that the weight was off. But I did say about the weight and about the set being unauthentic.
Okay.
Again, I followed the process with eBay. They disputed. They helped me out. I did everything they asked. I sent it back. And eBay resolved it, and that's really it.
All right. Thank you, sir. Ma'am, do you have any questions of this gentleman?
Yes.
Okay. what's
Okay,
the question?
on the company that did how did you say,
Third party.
the third party? What company is that?
It's a Zenoclear.
And who's the owner of that company?
Angel Franco.
And are you not also an owner
Of that company?
Yes.
No, I'm not.
So I have proof that he is the owner of that company.
Well, you can show any evidence of that here in a moment, but right now
Okay.
you have a change.
And the second question I have is, where in the complaint to eBay do you state that that wasn't what you received?
It was on the messages that we had back and forth.
But that's not what you said to eBay. And I don't, even the message that you sent in evidence that had back and forth, I don't show that you said that that is not what you sent. We stated that that's not what you sent. You said you sent us that back, but that is not. And we said, no, that's not what we sent. That's what's stated in the text messages back and forth.
He has to, and he never wants to.
I was referring that I stated with Billy, I assume, or whoever I was talking to, that the set was not unauthentic.
So in the review or the complaint to eBay, you state on there that we didn't send you the correct stuff, or you stated about the knife and the weight. There's nothing stated that it was not, that it was Onada that was sent to you. That it wasn't sterling. No, none of that is stated.
On the review, on the dispute with eBay, I think I just focused on the grams, on the weight. I didn't want to point fingers at you and say Billy this or Billy that. I just wanted to focus on the weight.
And also the picture that you sent was of the knife that we actually sent you. There's no knife in here of that. This is all Onada, and there's one piece of the Sir Wallace.
Sorry, one more time.
What we received back, there is no Sir Wallace knife in here. And that's actually the picture that you sent to eBay. There's one piece and it's a fork. That's of Sir Wallace. Everything else is Onada, fake, or stainless steel, not sterling silver.
Can you answer that question, Salvador?
Let me see can I see the picture real quick that she's talking about?
It's in the evidence.
Do you have that picture that she submitted to the court and forwarded to you? You did send him a copy of that, correct, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Are you talking about where exactly?
Where you sent it, where you complained to eBay or disputed with eBay The picture that you sent them of the knot.
Okay, sorry. And one more time, your question?
The dispute that you sent to eBay, you sent pictures, and you have a picture of the knife that had the stainless steel of the blade.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Your question?
The question, sir, so that you have clarification, is the knife that you presented to eBay is not the knife that was sent to you.
Was not sent back to us.
Was not sent back to them. The biggest question here today, or the concern on this suit, sir, is that you sent back items that were sent, that they're alleging was sent to you, was not what was sent back to them.
Let me try to pull up this picture one second. You're saying the picture, the knife in the picture was not sent back to you.
Exactly, the one he used.
The picture that you took and sent to eBay of the knife showing that it was of the blade showing that it's stainless steel, that was never sent back to us. So that shows that we sent you the Sir Wallace, and then you sent us back Onada with one piece of the Sir Wallace in there, which was a fork.
No, he says.
Yeah. And also,
Hold on one second. Let him answer that question. So to answer the question that is presented to you, sir, there's a picture that you just sent to eBay as a dispute, and they did not receive that knife back as stated in the dispute with eBay. Can you explain that as what her question is?
17.
I sent everything back that was sent to me. Everything that was initially sent to me, I sent it back in the same packet in the return slip.
Okay. Any other questions?
we sent 90 pieces to you of sterling silver, and we received 47 pieces back of Onada with one Sir Wallace. Do you know where the rest of the pieces are?
89 pieces.
89 pieces are that are missing.
Again, everything that was sent to us, we sent it back. The grants were off, and the grants didn't match.
All right, thank you, sir. So, ma'am, you're saying that y'all videotaped you opening the box and the box doesn't match with that?
In the evidence.
Okay, and that's what is reviewed, and he had the same video to review?
Yes.
All right. Do you have any other questions for him?
Asked about the company.
I already did. And then when do I say that he owns that company, that his witness?
You talking about the one that's in Las Cruces, New Mexico?
Yes, the Zeno.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, he's a registered agent for that company. He's not the owner. He's shown to be the registered agent.
It shows,
Salvador Mahal.
shows his address.
It shows him as a registered agent for that company.
Shows his address.
Okay.
Okay.
We couldn't find any evidence of that Angel Franco.
What kind of company is Zeno
Clear.
Clear? What do they do there?
He does house inspections, and I hired him directly to help me with this eBay transaction.
Okay. Anything else, ma'am? All right, thank you. Anything else, Salvador? Ma'am. Anything else, Salvador?
No, I just want to add that this case is just based on assumption, and I just followed eBay's protocol. They helped me. They solved the case. There's just no evidence or fraud, misconduct on my end.
Okay, thank you, sir. Ma'am, do you have anything else on rebuttal?
No, sir.
All right, thank you. So at this time, I'm going to make an assumption that these ladies are correct and the judgment's in their favor, $4,579 without court cost service fee and 6.75% post-judgment from today's date until paid in full. If you fail to respond and make this right with them, then at this point in time, these ladies have the right to seek whatever writs and process available to them. Do you understand, sir? We'll send a copy of the judgment to you at a later date, sir, or here in the moment. Ladies, you won your case?
Thank you.
Good luck to you.